Well, the end of the week has been anything but peaceful for our meteorologist. Mary Hours has been telling us, keeping us informed about a tornado warning that has now expired in Fayette County, but we still are not completely out of the woods, Mary.
Yeah, we're not. And areas north got a lot of that rain early on. Now this has shifted south, so that severe weather threat is still remaining south throughout this afternoon and evening. And a big thing right now is flooding. There's a lot of storm damage. There's trees down, and again, a lot of flooded roadways. So make sure, turn around, don't drown. Do not try to drive through flooded roadways. The biggest thing right now that we have, that flash flood warning into Allegheny County and Westmoreland County, that goes until 6:30. So southern parts of Allegheny County, that's where you're dealing with a lot of that heavier rain, and also north of Uniontown. You can see that yellow and orange indication. More is on the way. Look at that south of Newcastle, heading into parts of Beaver County and also Washington County. You have a lot of heavy rain and even lightning. We had a lot of thunder even in downtown Pittsburgh. So what this flash flood warning means, this also goes until 6:45 for northern parts of Allegheny, Indiana, and also Westmoreland County. Some areas saw about 3 inches of rainfall, and then areas that saw about 1 to 2 inches, you could still be dealing with more throughout the next several hours. So some rain totals here. Areas to the north, about 3/4 of an inch, about 1.5 inches for Youngstown. Again, this is just recorded through today, but there's a lot of areas, some smaller areas that saw a lot more rain than that. So we have those winds out of the south-southwest, pumping in all that warm air and moisture. Very hot and humid, but that rain really cooled us down. We were at 82 degrees. That was our high. 71 is our current temperature. Areas at 74 in Franklin, so some sunshine, a little bit of dry time, but still a lot of rain for areas Pittsburgh and south towards Newcastle, West Virginia, Panhandle, and a lot of activity still off to the northwest. Dew points into the upper 60s, 70s, little bit lower than what we were dealing with earlier. So the atmosphere is starting to release some of that moisture, but we still have that chance for those scattered showers and storms, and remnants of what was Hurricane Laura. That low pressure system moves in late tonight through in tomorrow, bringing us some showers and storms, but that's going to collide with a cold front. So it doesn't look like we're going to be dealing with as much rain as anticipated. And then by tomorrow into the afternoon, looks like things are going to be drying out. So in terms of how much more rainfall we can expect, keep in mind, this is from today, still today, all the way throughout Saturday into the afternoon, about 1/2 inch to even 1 inch of additional rainfall. And that may help our drought situation out, because those moderate drought conditions are still persisting across the region. And to even get close to even improve just a little bit, we need about 4 inches of rain, and there's some areas that saw about 3 inches. So we're going to keep tracking these storms throughout the newscast. But tonight we're looking at 68 degrees. More thunderstorms may wake you up. 83 degrees tomorrow with rain and thunder, northerly winds. We will have some more refreshing air movement by the end of the weekend. So Sunday, 78 degrees, partly cloudy. And then by Monday, we're looking at 82 degrees, mostly cloudy skies. By Tuesday, we start to see the trend for some scattered showers and storms moving back in. That continues throughout Wednesday. Temperatures in the mid-80s on Thursday with partly cloudy skies. Then we'll have some early showers on Friday. Seasonable temperatures with a high around 80.